Well, welcome to Fryers Motor Company again. I'm delighted to tell you about this little car. It's a 2017 Kia Soul 1600cc petrol engine. One owner, lady I believe. Quite a good sized car, but not over large. You'll have no trouble with the Ulez emissions because it's a petrol engine, manual gearbox. 5-speed manual, nice radio CD with steering controls, and you can answer the phone on the steering wheel again. 4 electric windows, remote locking, 2 keys. Now it's done 2,800 miles. It did have a new speedometer at 2,148, and it's now showing 650 or thereabouts. But everything is completely documented. We've got the MOT history here. Here we are, speedometer repair replacement. So that's in November 22. All its handbooks from new. Look at that handbook for it. It has got a quick guide. So we're selling a car that's done under 3,000 miles. Now it's converted for wheelchair access by Sirus. They're a company in the Midlands. It's got a very lightweight ramp with a low angle. So I've attached the safety straps that are controlled by this switch here. When the LED lights are on, they allow you to come out and clip them on, and you switch it off. They lock, so that as you're pushing in, if you want to stop and have a little rest, you can. Everything is held firmly. And in we go. Then these straps go on the back. I've given you 4 positions for those, on the outer edge or on the inner edge. Now you do have to just press the yellow button, so I won't do that for the moment. Then the seat belt just comes around, clips in there. Now the ramp only weighs about £1 pound, perhaps £2, so that's easily to put up. And the tailgate's no problem. Now inside, it's all in good condition, smooth and quiet. So remember, we've got 2,100 miles to add to that shown speedometer reading. We'll start it up for fun. Off she goes. We've got steering controls to answer the phone and adjust the stereo there. Nice and smooth, air conditioning of course. So what a lovely car. Not too big. It'll get a wheelchair user out and about, and they'll love it. If you think that's a possibility, give me a ring and we'll talk about it some more. Or email. Thank you, I look forward to your contact. Bye.